If you have a black sooty spot under your vehicle, you probably have a leaking catalytic converter. Well, let's go under the vehicle and take a look and see if that's the case. So if you take a look right here, you can see that the catalytic converter has rusted, putting a small hole where the activating charcoal is leaking out onto your driveway. To start the process, I took a battery-powered drill and I'm going to add a wire brush. I have a couple of different sizes, and I'm going to clean the catalytic converter where the rust is thoroughly so that I can create a good bond. So let's get that started first. So I've cleaned up the area with a wire brush, and now you can see there's a small hole in the catalytic converter. And next I'm going to apply some stove gasket cement. That's a high heat cement. And I'll put that on with my finger, and I'll show you in a second exactly what to use. Next, I want to apply some stove and gasket cement over the small hole and in the surrounding area where I removed a lot of the rust and everything. I'm using the Rutland fiberglass gasket to stove cement, which is a very high heat cement. Once it's fully set, several hours later at minimum, I will run the engine and take it for a ride and heat it up really good, and that will solidify it completely. So let's go and apply the cement. Here you can see I applied the stove gasket gunk. I put it all over liberally. I've put a little dab of this on a piece of paper in my shop. So I'll know when it's hardened. When that's hardened to a sufficient amount on the piece of paper and the little blob is hardened up, I'll know that it's also hardened up on the exhaust and I'm ready to start the engine. Okay, thanks and have a great day.